Good morning, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. Today is the 14th of May. This is a quick little update regarding the TTScanner Algos. As you know, I highlighted a screen yesterday, which is right here. Oh, not this one. Let me get out of this. And come down here to the intraday algos. The TTScanner Algos on a daily basis have moved into some extended trending. As you can see, we're getting 10s, 11% moves. These are pretty solid moves. Now, where the markets are right now, I would urge you to consider pulling profits. Trying not to let these positions get out of control. You can see the stop price here is right above the entry price. That is what happens after target 1. So what you want to do at this point, guys, you know, like here, ARKB, you've got $5 profit in the trade. You're up almost 11%. The stop is at 94.12, just above the entry price, the way it's supposed to be. We're moving into that kind of consolidated topping pattern potentially here in the S&P and the QQQ. I would urge you, so ARKB, I think it was. So here's where we're at. Stop price is down here. We got in down at this entry price level. I would urge you to consider moving stops up above this gap, maybe up into the low of this bar here. You've got a lot of profits in these swing trades. Some of them, FBTC, that's Bitcoin. IWM 3%, already up to 207. That's another $6-7 profit in this trade. FTN up 11%. You hit both targets. Stop is now at 237. It's over here where target 1 was. You know, you're up another $10 here if you're in this trade. Protect profits. Go out and take a look at where things are right now, because if my analysis is correct and we are going to roll over, you know, you want to try to protect profits. Anything that's got a target 1 like here in pink, or anything that's got a target 2 here in pink, really go take a look at it. Adjust your stops up, lighten positions if you haven't already. You've had a great rally. Look at some of these moves, 7%. 5, 6%, 7.5, 10.5, 6.5, 1.3. It's a brand new trigger, QQQ. In fact, somehow I've got QQQ on here twice. I'll go get rid of that. You can see here, really great profits setting up here, but do not, warning, do not leave yourself overly exposed up near this top. That's what I'm trying to talk to you about. My original research from back here in March suggests that we could be seeing kind of a big rollover setting up here in May. This was drawn. Now we're out here into mid-May now. But imagine this just rolls potentially, if my analysis is correct, back down into that lower channel. So imagine we rolled up here, and imagine we roll back down into this lower channel, and then roll into the July low, and then roll out of this into the October low. So again, pay attention to the fact that we've kind of rolled right up into this area, just like my analysis suggested, and we may roll right back out of it, back down into this lower channel. So let's see how things play out, but now is a very good time for you, all of you, to try to protect profits. When you're looking at these trades and these setups, I mean, really, time to protect your profits, guys. This is where the smart traders will come in here and really start to protect your profits. Okay, spider sectors really have one new trade here yesterday at 3 o'clock. XLI, and again, these are running with slightly different setups. So when you look over here and you have the SPY and a QQQ all generating up trades, the long and short of it here is these are slightly different setups. It's a new long trigger there on the SPY. Be cautious with this move here. We don't yet have targets. We're rolling through that sideways channel. As I mentioned to you back over here, we're rolling into this sideways channel, extreme consolidation. And as I've been warning, you know, there is a chance that we move into and revert back down into this lower channel. So let me get rid of that. And that lower channel is back here in yellow. If we were to revert, we'd get something kind of like I drew here, rolling potentially back down into a low here. So that type of a move, potentially rolling downward, like I've drawn here in yellow, could be very aggressive, could come down, find support around 520, 525, like I was saying, maybe down a little bit lower. I'm just warning you. I mean, we're still in an uptrend. We don't have any real indication that it's going to break down other than my analysis and my extended pattern research from, 4, 5, 6, 7 months ago. Okay, so that's it for now. Quick little update on algos. Remember, if you're not a subscriber to Mint.com and you're not using these algos or any of my other advanced research, remember to please come back over here, check out Mint.com. It's here waiting for you. It's very inexpensive. Today we're highlighting the expert growth algos. But today, again, come on over, check it out. If you want to start looking for these 10, 12, 15% swings in the market over, basically 2 weeks, they're sitting here for you. These algos run 24/7 pretty much unattended. They sit here and they generate brand new trade triggers constantly. So again, where we're at, I think we're close to toppy. I would urge everyone to start pulling profits if you got them, lightening loads, getting ready for any type of volatility that may come out of this potential pullback move here to the upside. I kind of do believe we're going to roll, but again, I've been wrong since back over here, thinking that we were going to roll. Never expected this big rally up to the upside to last so long. So again, wait for the breakdown, okay? But lighten your longs now. Take your profits, book it, and like I said, wait to see what happens. See if the market actually rolls or not. Okay, guys, that's it. Talk to you later.